Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Haugen. Today we're going to do lesson 4, application problem. So make sure you have your white math packet in front of you. So when we look at this, we first see a bar graph. The title is favorite animals. We have 4 categories on the side: flamingo, snow leopard, Komodo dragon, and koala bear. And then we have the numbers at the bottom and then the bars that give us the data. So it says here, after a trip to the zoo, Ms. Anderson's students voted on their favorite animals. Use the bar graph to answer the following questions. Easy enough, right? So A says, which animal got the fewest votes? Now, if you notice, the question says which animal, which is tricky only because normally it's asking for numbers, but this time it's asking for the name of the animal. So when we want to know the fewest votes, we'll have to look at the smallest bar, and we can see that that animal is the flamingo. So I would like you to write the word flamingo on letter A, because the flamingo got the fewest number of votes. Letter B, which animal, again asking for an animal, got the most votes? So we're looking for the longest bar. And this time, which kind of surprises me if I'm being honest, is the Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon got the most votes. Okay? C. How many more students, okay, so how many more, now I'm back to numbers. How many more students liked Komodo dragons than koala bears? Well, when I look at these numbers, Komodo dragon has 11. I'm going to write that down. And koala bears has 4. So I'm going to write that down too. So now I'm looking at how many more. Well, I know from the past that tells me to subtract. And I also know that when I subtract, I start with the biggest number. So I am solving 11, take away 4, and that equals 7. So write that down for letter C. 11 minus 4 equals 7, which means 7 more students liked Komodo dragons than koala bears. Obviously, they did not ask me. Letter D. Later, 2 students changed their votes. Oh dear. From koala bear to snow leopard. What was the difference between koala bears and snow leopards then? So there's 2 things we need to do here. First, we've got to change the graph. So 2 students changed their votes from koala bear. So that means this kid, no koala bear. This kid, no koala bear. So now we only have 2 koala bear kids. And instead, they changed their vote to snow leopards. So mark those out on your packet, and we're going to add 2 more kids or boxes to our snow leopards. So that's the first step, is to find out first what the new graph looks like. So now I have 11 kids like snow leopards and only 2 kids like koala bears. But when I look at the question again, it says, so now what's the difference? Well, find the difference means subtract. So I'm simply doing the math problem. 11 minus 2 equals 9. So now after those kids change their votes, now the difference between the kids that like koala bears and snow leopards is 9. Nice job, kiddos. I miss you. I hope you're doing well. Have a super great weekend.